very exciting to be an artist in these times where your medium is constantly changing. We gathered everyone here into San Francisco, this beautiful photography studio on the Mission. Assembled an amazing team. We're all collaborating to make really stunning, fun, sweet little images for 1 billion people.
We built 2 installations to create the Windows logo out of light.
My name is Bradley G. Munkowitz. I'm the creative director of the project, I suppose.
Bradley, yeah, he's somewhat of a design star. He's worked on feature movies like Oblivion and Tron. He's done all kinds of user interface design and motion design.
He really is creatively thinking in ways that I didn't even know imaginable until I walked onto that set.
Microsoft has been really open to us taking it into a very vibrant experimental direction, a whole new look than we've seen from Windows before, and that's been really exciting.
The project's all about one-point perspective and kind of looking at the logo itself as a portal that was allowing us to look into space. In order to do that, we had to develop some kind of weird techniques, kind of a camera mapping of the logo.
We're shooting projections isolated from lens flares, isolated from background textures.
With that camera mapping, it allows us to play in the space where we create a volumetric area of light and haze and lasers and projections and little details everywhere, lens flares, aberrations. Obviously there's a ton of design, but it's more about the physical presence of it and really paying attention to how the camera captures these physical objects.